Now I'm going to show you how to separate the leaves of the cabbage. We cut the top a little bit and then very gently we take the leaves out. You can see that they come out. They're very big. In this, when you do the process with the freezer, they come very big. They don't tear so much. And I just continue cutting it around and taking the leaves out in order all the way around. You can either decide how many stuffed cabbage you want, or you just take the leaves out until they become too small to be rolled. And as you can see, in this way they are coming out so nicely, so you can use a lot of the cabbage for the stuffing. Okay, almost done. I think maybe one or two more, and the rest, whatever's left, is going to be for the sauce. We don't throw it, it's going to be for the sauce. We just, whatever's left, we're going to cut it and add it to the sauce of the stuffing.